Artists. The Lyrical Deathmatch is the first dancehall battle league.
Dancehall artists from all over the world can compete for prizes and bragging rights.
Log on to hypelife.tv, register to join the competition.
Suicide competition, Lyrical Deathmatch.
Stop chat shit and chat the lyrics.
Trust me make it out. Batman people tell police who me link with. They go and check it out. Who want to live the life there? Who want to own the house there with the bike there? Who want to travel on the road and see the pretty sight there? Now Batman me think from me bus well like a kite there. I know see a friend but I know for them a fight me. I do me by the chain with the yellow blue ice them Miami. Over we when the gal them start to fight the G-Star jeans with the matching Nike. Every get the youth want to live the good life there. It hurt them hard. Fist me make it out. Trust me make it out. Batman people I tell police who me link with. They go and check it out. It hurt them hard. Fist me make it out. Trust me make it out. Batman people I tell police who me link with. They go and check it out.
Yeah, move it on. It is some sticky topic.
Some sticky topic in daddy.
One place on Jamaica called.
One place on Jamaica called Innswood. The community of Innswood, them find 8 man.
I'm telling you, can't stand the community about 2 nights.
In a 2-bedroom apartment, people. 8 man.
8 man in a 1 bedroom.
In a 2-bedroom apartment.
I know some that are going, you know. Three, some quadruple, sometimes 2 and all that. Listen to me, people.
Where's the 4 man to a room?
Either way, I don't know how them work out the calculation. Either way, I'll have to say, if I didn't know they were fish before, I would have known they were fish because they're 8 man living in a 2-bedroom apartment. No, 2-bedroom apartment, 8 man. Batman is in that. If the community know figuring out them a Batman, they should have known that already. Obviously, me see a man with extension in them here.
No. Bro, but here the TV. Because people in the community are complaining and call the police them months on top of months. Because them look up there and say, oh, no man, up there to blood clot and clothes are wash. Jars are scripts out.
Yeah, who are them jars them for the line?
Who are scripts out jars?
But over jars them for the line. The people them say, oh man, I come and go. I 8 man over there and jars them for the line. Look at a man over there with jars.
Them low.
Them low. Now obviously look the people. Look on the man. The man obvious batty man. No, this is not taking place in another country. This is taking place in Jamaica.
I hear them say.
Another one who was handcuffed by the police did not enter the vehicle.
Go climb up on the blood clot truck. Him couldn't climb on the truck. The man have to help him.
He man look like him have a cocky stuck up in ass. The man them a batty man. But when me I say this now, the reason me I say this now, you have a lot of people in Jamaica pretending that there's not Batman on the rampage in Jamaica. You know? No, I want people to understand this and be aware. You know? In Berks, you keep seeing it in news. In Kingston, all over, you see that Batman is very rampant in Jamaica. And the people like me, if it's understand, say, yo, no can't run around. You want one. I get to the real stickiness of this. One time in a dance hall, in Jamaica, talking used to mean something. When people say a thing, they used to mean something. A man say Batman for dead, that means a Batman are dead. If a man say Bow Cat for dead, Bow Cat are dead. If a man say no low things can go on, no low things not go on. Because they done them and certain man make sure certain things then are go on. No, we get now the days when man like Vybz Kartel can wear weave in I'm here. Understand me? Neck bleach out him face.
Next a Q-tex on him finger them.
When man can put pretty Tweety Bird stars and them thing upon them neck. Colorful rainbows on them skin.
Yeah, when man can wear yellow shirt and yellow crepe and girl pants.
And get away with it.
Yes, people, Kartel I wear girl pants. Look on the man pants. Look on the girl I wear the pants.
No, understand me people. There are times when people used to say something and it means something. No, there are Gaza fans that's running around saying that even if the man them are queer, them not care. A matter of fact, me here say, gay ever frost said on his Facebook, I say a comment said that him not care what the man them want to do. So you support anything the man them do. Yo, you say entertainment. This is entertainment when we are talking entertainment too. What I'm saying is, if it look like a duck, it's a duck.
It quack like a duck.
You understand me? If it quack, it's a duck. You understand me? I'm a man in an extension and media take out. The man them say, but media take out, big international websites say. You know, look at dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. First he has admitted to bleaching, pause. He's wearing colorful clothing and wearing extension in his ear, pause.
The man them say Vybz Kartel sweet because if I in America and see a brother bleach him face, dressed up in a yellow shirt and yellow crepe, and I wear extension on him head.
They would have said that guy's a fish.
Cause Kartel, if you come a blood clot New York, Atlanta is the biggest Batman capital in America. If you got blood clot Atlanta, and I walk Atlanta, guarantee you, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Now pass, and a Batman now look at you.
Kartel, watch yourself.
Watch yourself, yo.
Watch yourself. And he put out a statement where he must say, with Vybz Kartel, I say this Vybz weed.
No, see, I done it.
Yeah.
And where you carry yourself in a view. You're there in a church, you carry yourself like a church individual, you dress nice, you carry yourself as a woman, you cover up yourself as a Batman, you carry yourself like a Batman, you wear fish hairstyle, girl pants, show the girl pants again.
See girl pants there. Now, as the man saying, yes, like the topic, Fox, like the topic. We like it, people. You say me, I say, yeah, man, round of applause, Fox, round of applause, I like it. So you're saying that, Fox. You say me, I say, a man going to work on Wall Street, he wear a business suit.
Wear a tie,
yes.
Carry a briefcase.
Yes, amen, yes. A man going to church, a pastor gonna go preach up there. He wear a nice suit on Sunday.
As a construction worker, I wear a hard hat and a blood clot overall.
And tool belt. Yes, and if you're a prison, you wear a blood clot prison suit, and then the orange one, there, white one, and with a stripe on them. You wear, and if you're a policeman, you wear a police uniform.
Yeah, with epaulet and button on the sleeve.
Yes, and if you're a soldier, you wear army fatigue. Yeah. If you're a dancer artist, you dress like a straight man, don't dress like a batty man. Bumbo clad style. You can't be a dancer artist and dress like a batty man. When you not lick against the batty man, them, how the blood clot are going style. Don't try to up dancer and try fool with star. Don't try fool with dog. We're not blind to the thing, star. You understand me? Fisherman just like a fisherman. You understand me? Batty man just like a batty man. You understand me? And them a talk about say, yo, fisherman talk about fisher, batty man talk about batty. But let me tell you this. Pastor, talk about blood clot God and him talk about devil too. Pussy when I want a blood clot, I tell me say, straight man say batty man, him say a batty man that. Don't tell a straight man say him say a batty man, him say a straight man that. Don't tell me the fuck here. Bumbo clot to the take man for.
Big man thing.
Yo, and the blood clot man they brag about they wear tight pants. You know say that. When the blood clot tight pants, me see it.
Yo, a long time we about it out in the CV.
I know
yesterday.
No skin tight pants. Bumbo clot.
Them jeans there for your sister and your auntie.
Yeah, man.
No, CV. Any man where wear tight jeans, them a try show ass and body.
Yeah.
The man look on them. And look on the shape.
I don't think as a boy like show them baggy. Bumbo clot. Them boy with them underpants under them short. Hey, yo. You me I said a star. You me I said one. I said the Vybz weave thing, Lou. I don't care Kartel I put out him statement that talk about him fuck 50 million y'all. I don't care how much y'all you fuck.
You could have fuck pussy 100 times and fuck batty 1 time.
Yeah, batty man. Understand me? And give me a say that, give me a say. And if you have fuck y'all in the batty, yeah, batty man. Bumbo clock. As a boy I talk about how much y'all them fuck. I like we don't know say some of them boy I fuck y'all in them batty. I hold that, a fool at man. I fool at man for. You think you can't take with a fool? You hear me I say? You can't fool the sheep and some other people, you can't fool me. You understand me? No, you say you fuck 1,000 girl, if you fuck 1,000 girl, then you batty man.
And Kartel, don't get me wrong, you know, you're a talented artist. And that's the blood clot reason why you can't get away with all of the fuckery them where you go.
Yeah. And your music,
people like you for your music. I mean, not tell you like Kartel. Your music youth is a talented youth.
Yeah. Stick to the rascal music
and cut the fuckers. Stop trying to stray the youth them youth.
Yeah, because
if you understand that you're a very influential guy.
Yes.
You influence the youth them to wear clocks and all sort of shit. No, what you want them to do? Get all sort of tattoo right up devil upon their hand. Get bleach and get weave on
extension.
Come on, man.
No, the man have the nerve. The man have the
weave,
nerve.
Weave. And your sister wear weave.
Joe dog. What are that alone dog? The man that try load man like all Octane and the man that say Octane and the man that TOK.
No.
Above all that and all the man with extension.
The man that sing like you, the man that try pull down some man with him.
Yeah, a man a violent Rasta man them. And they say Rasta man them not come
to you know hear Octane say yo, the man can ramp it and natty.
You understand me? The man say Octane put out a statement that say him the responsible for what artist want say. You Him just know he can't control a man once, but he knows him here natural and them are great and they put more people than can vote him and them thing there. All me I say is this. If Mavado did put in extension, I'm not sure of it. If TOK put extension of it, I'm not sure of it. If I attend to do it, I'm not sure of it. Mr. Be confident and 100% positive sure the Vybz Kartel have it in. Me see it. The boy take picture it. The man pose up in it.
He man sing some fucking
He man admit it.
Yeah.
He put out statement saying it. Me see video and picture it.
No, see, I don't think Kartel. You love the attention too much. And we can't pass where you do some fuckery to get the attention, youth. Me don't know the word for you, youth. Me don't know the word.
Man is a fame junkie.
You like Paris Hilton, youth.
Yes.
You the Lindsay Lohan.
Yes.
You do fuckery just to get the attention, youth.
Yes.
What next, youth? What next after?
Yo, expect the unexpected. Right now, boy.
What next?
Right now.
What? Me bust my head now, youth. What else you gonna do, youth?
Yo, people. What's gonna comment what they think is next? What's next? Them say belly skin, tie jeans. Oh, tie jeans and belly skin already in there. Damn it.
The hair.
I don't know.
The bleach. Where's that? Noxema. Rub on your skin cream.
I don't know, Rasta. All I'm saying is this. So I'm saying, the Batman, them you see a bag of Batman living in one house. These are signs of the time in Jamaica. These are the reflection that certain people are portraying of Jamaica and the people. I'm saying if the masses are ready to accept this and say this is the way it's going, that Batman.
Music is a reflection of society. A society, a reflection of music.
Yes, as you know, art imitates life, life imitates art. It goes both ways. So on an educational, on a sensible level right now, we're gonna say this. You understand me? If the masses are ready to admit in Jamaica, say gays, should be legal, and a dancehall artist man can be Batman and girl for fucking a batty and all this stuff can acceptable. If that's what the masses believe, then come out and say it. If we don't believe it, then burn it the fuck out. And don't make we look like we alone at take a stand. If the people them don't take a stand, then don't complain later on when everything gone alone.
Later on a brother, on a daughter, on a son, they do all sort of fuckery.
Yes, and I say, I think.
On put a stop to it now, man. Put a stop to it.
Them say
right now it's like a hole in the blood clot dike. So they stuff it up. Don't make the blood clot place blood out.
No, them love to talk about New York as a place. People love to talk about New York as well. But me tell you about New York City. New York City, two man can't marry. There's no legal gay marriage in New York. New York refuse to have that. Now understand me, Jamaica population about 2 million versus New York City, which is almost 9.
So compare the ratio of Batman to straight man. In that little community there, what? Innswood. You have more Batman there. More Batman there than Brooklyn.
Come on. Ratio of people.
There's like 8 Batman to board. There's 300 man will live in a neighborhood, if that much.
More gay man might do it more than 300. More gay man might do it because we know the conference say 8 did it. More might do it and they cover. More might do it. No, all I'm saying is
hold on. How they find each other?
Why? I don't know. Is it a Batman congregation, a Batman convention? I don't know. But what I want to say is this, people. Certain things are indicative of the times, and you must understand this. Vybz Kartel might have put in extension in his year 2002. He might have bleached him here in a 2005. Permanent year. He might have done certain things and got away with it, but times are changing. In Buju Bantan song Boom Bye Bye, Buju Bantan say, I want to some man that want the sweetness between the legs. If a man wants to say that right now, sweetness between legs, Buju, what you say? If a man say, "Girl, me love you like a fresh vegetable," not tell me ever love.
You on the river?
Why you love her like French? What? How will you say? So sometimes I used to call a woman sweet and then think the regular. No, you don't. You can't do it no more. Certain things have the signs at the time. So Vybz Kartel must understand certain little things where you might have gotten away with in the past that wasn't that much in the spotlight. Now that you're fully in the spotlight, you cannot expect to do it. You can't be a man with rob a bank and get away. And then you rob a bank later on and get caught. Well, we didn't get to it the first time. But we didn't get to it now. You get catch. You get catch now.
And you never so freaky back then. You never look so freaky.
Boy, I want to tell her. And maybe kind of so bright the light upon him now, right?
Could be in the dark, you know, could have hide in a shadow.
You know, so light skin people get more attention than black, you know, that's actually proven, you know. You understand, the lighter your skin is, the more attention they get. So Vybz Kartel beat, you get more attention, and you're getting it, buddy. You're getting it, man. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna lower the weave and your bleach and your freaky lifestyle. But if you fuck more girl like me, more power to you. Me never fuck no girl like them body. Me never suck pussy. Vybz Kartel, me never fuck body. Dog.
Talking this and talking that. One bagger.
I don't know
the tune. But the tune bad. Assassin.
I don't know what to say, but we're out, people. Who want vex, go and get vexed up. Visit www.iplay.tv each and every day. Arctic, that's the thing there. You don't know, DMR iPlay to the world and the villains we say. Look out for my album coming, people. That's May 27. Look out for that. Yo, mad, sick, start out. I look out for the Ace of Spades and Namper video. Same week, I'm mad, sitting here. So I say, be music. The thing turn up. You don't know the thing set already. I'm out.
Artists. The Lyrical Deathmatch is the first dancehall battle league.
Dancehall artists from all over the world can compete for prizes and bragging rights.
Log on to hypelife.tv. Register to join the competition.
Suicide competition. Lyrical Deathmatch.
Stop chat shit and chat the lyric.
Girl, you tight like airport security system. Wipe me no ear, me no misting. Girl, your boom boom turn up to the max like a car with a system. Some girl no know about you. You a wife, me girl me sure about you. If I cheat, you a go make it work. Inna your alla white t-shirt. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl? Head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot. Head tap. Stop this and don't move. This and no dance, girl, you are act blues. Me like it, buy a mate if you prove you are the better one, she confused. Oh, you can't fuck, so you me choose. Wine where you give me bring you on cruise. Then I fuck free, you take a one shoes. I fuck for something, then nobody lose. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl? Head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, head tap. My girl more for wine with you. You see, every day me spend time with you. Some man gonna jail for you. Me not ever, me not do no time for you. Girl, where you get the wine from? Fling it up, me girl, and just grind a man. Girl, you never ring me, you buy your one. You boom boom, my girl, are the tiny one. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl? Head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, head tap. Girl, you tight like airport security system. Wine for me no ear, me no misting. Girl, your boom boom turn up to the max like a car with a system. Some girl don't know about you. You a wife, me girl me sure about you. If I cheat, you a go make it work. Inna your alla white t-shirt. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl? Head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, head tap. Stop this and don't move. This and no dance, girl, you act blues. Me like it, buy a mate if you prove you are the better one, she confused. Oh, you can't fuck, so you me choose. Wine where you give me bring you on cruise. Then I fuck free, you take a one shoes. I fuck for something, then nobody lose. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl? Head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, head tap. My girl more for wine with you. You see, every day me spend time with you. Some man gonna jail for you. Me not ever, me not do no time for you. Girl, where you get the wine from? Fling it up, me girl, and just grind a man. Girl, you never ring me, you buy your one. You boom boom, my girl, are the tiny one. Me girl, head tap. Back it up, don't drop, girl. Take a bad shot, girl. Head tap. Where you want bad shot? Where you want this a black girl?